surrounds me. If we hold ourselves together, we'll go far.
Hey guys, Yoduvh here. For today's video, I'm going to be transforming the look of an old table that I picked up from the trash. I'll be decorating it with corner guards. This is a requested video and this is the picture that was sent to me. This table is sold for over $4,000. So the guy who requested for this particular DIY wanted something budget friendly. So I thought about other ways to make the bottom part of the table transparent. That's why I went for the corner guards. They're not strong. That's why they're going to be attached to an existing table. And these corner guards come in 4 feet and 8 feet. I'll measure the height of the table and start cutting the corner guards. I got a lot of these, but then the quantity that you're going to use will depend on the size of the table that you're going to be working on. If you're new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. Now don't forget to click on the subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my latest videos. I'll be cutting them all to size, and remember, this is according to the height of the table you're using. I started off with holding the corner guards with my hand while cutting, but that was beginning to hurt and I'm going to do a lot of cutting, so I decided to just wear gloves to make it easy for myself. I even have a better grip. These are all the pieces. It's a lot. And like I said, it's supposed to be covered all around the table. So I'm going to show you guys the mirror that I will use to give me a nice colored reflection on the table. These are real glass mirrors that I got online, and they have some sort of rose gold color. Now I will leave a link for this down in the description box below if you're interested. Now what I'm going to do next is glue these mirrors around the corner guards. And I'll be using a strong adhesive and a hot glue gun to attach them. I'm wearing gloves that I got from the Dollar Tree to minimize the amount of dirt that will be on the mirror while working on the project. I'm done gluing them on the right side. Now I'm going to be gluing another set on the left side. The third set will be on the right side, but positioned differently. I made the fourth set of mirrors and glued them on the left. I'm going to keep these aside and then take the table that I have and spray painted silver. And guys, I'll recommend using a wooden table for this project because I had an iron table and that gave me a lot of challenges. So to attach the pieces that I have, I had to use a smaller corner guard. The small corner guard is going to make it easier for me to attach the pieces to the table. I used zip ties to hold them together. Now I'm going to be gluing on the pieces to the corner guards that I have attached to the table. I'm arranging them in a pattern where you have the mirrors up, and then the next one will be the mirrors down, and then the one after that will be the mirrors up, and then the one after that again will be the mirrors facing down. I'm using a hot glue gun to attach the pieces to the table for now. When I'm done, I'm going to go around with the stronger adhesive. I want to remind you guys again that I am attaching these pieces to the corner guards that I have attached to the table and not directly on the table. Like I said earlier, it's going to be easier if you have a wooden table. That way you can attach your pieces with ease. I then went to the bottom to attach all the pieces together with hot glue. This is just to keep all the pieces in place for now. And then I'm going to go around again with the stronger adhesive. Later on, I'm going to show you guys a better way of doing this. Now, this is my first time attempting this design, so I was just doing lots of try and error. But I will show you guys a better way to attach the pieces to the table without having to do so much bending like I just did. Because I'm working with a table that already has a funny design inside, I'm just going to leave it the way it is because I couldn't take it off. I'm going to go around with a strong adhesive. Now for the second option that I talked about that would be easier to attach the pieces to the table would be to have them glued on a flat surface. And whatever it is you're going to be gluing them onto has to be transparent. Using an actual glass would really be heavy, so what I did was pick a large photo frame and use the acrylic transparent sheet that's on top. The pieces can be arranged like this and glued onto the sheet. I haven't glued the sheet yet to what I have down here, but as you can see, it's hard to notice. And guys, gluing the pieces to the sheet should be done before attaching it to the table and not the other way around. I'll be covering a little portion of the top with wood that was covered with mirror reflective paper on the other side. And then for the top, instead of using real glass, I'll be using this acrylic sheet that I got from Home Depot. Before placing the acrylic sheet on top, I have to cover up the rough edges of the corner guards. And I'm going to do that by cutting out pieces from a diamond wrap. These pieces will not only just cover up the rough edges, but it will also make the top look better. To hold your acrylic sheet to the table, I'll be using suction cups. And I'm going to be removing them from this bathroom accessory that I got from Walmart. Now this is how the table turned out. The wood that's right inside is covered with mirror reflective paper. I will have to get something longer so that I don't see that mesh that's on top. Now personally, I prefer this arrangement of mirrors versus this one because it kind of has a better reflection versus this one. I'm really happy with the way this turned out despite the challenges that I faced because of the table that I was using. But the recommendations that I gave during the course of this DIY, it will be a lot easier for you to recreate this. Now I hope you all enjoyed this DIY video. Now don't forget to like it and share it with your friends and families as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. Now I have other home decor DIY videos that are linked in the description box below to check them out, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button.